Um, Hello YouTube, this is my Lego G1 Optimus Prime review. It's not mini class or big mini scale or big. It's medium, normal, and there. Um, so here is Lego Spider-Man compared to him. Hi Spider-Man, and here he is. So you can get an idea how big is the figure compared to him, and I'm just showing off the robot mode first so you would get an idea what he looks like. He has accessories, I'm gonna show them later. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna transform him into a truck, so I would start the transformation there. So just wait. Okay, so I'm back and there is his truck mode. So there is Spider-Man again, showing off how tall is a minifigure compared to him. In vehicle mode, here is his front side. That's what he looks like on the side, the top, wait, on the back. Don't need to see it at all, but here's a good view. Like, oh, it looks bad on camera, but looks really good on personal. So there. So let's start the transfer. Wait, I want to look at this side again. Oh man, I thought he looks good on camera. So there he is. So to start the transformation, let's start with the head. So put the head up, twist it, and put his antennas up. So pull it up. There he is. Get his arms, put it to the side. Then there, do that to his shoulder like the G1 toy. Do it to the same side. Oh, I removed it. This is not a puzzle former. Puzzle former is a Lego transformer that you remove pieces and put them back together like Rio. This is not like that. It transforms properly like most Optimus Primes on YouTube. Anyway, so just stand him up like this. Put him, wait, sorry. Put his legs down. There, do it to the same side. There. Oh wait, and there you go. After that, just wait. I'm gonna put him back here. Get his grill piece up. That this is not an important piece. I just put it here, and it fell off for no reason. I don't know why. And just just put the grill piece up here. Credits to both boys with the most toys there for the grill piece technique transformation. I just copied him with the grill piece going up, but anyway, thank you, and just turn his whole chest around, then put the grill piece back down and put his arms down and get two pieces like this. See, color blue like the G1 toy. Just stick it here. That's the only puzzle part, but it's still not counted as a puzzle former, I guess. There. And put the camera up now. So, wait, before that, here is his gun. See, looks like the G1. Before it, there's a cheese wedge here on the back, but I'm gonna give credits also, I guess, to Lego Video Sync 1 because he used this part. I mean, everybody used this part, but didn't notice that. So a little bit credit to him. little bit. So just put it here, hands, and now I'm gonna put the camera up. Wait, so you could see the whole thing. Okay, now here is, oh, I'm gonna remove my head there, and here he is. He has articulation, more than the articulation the G1 toy has. Wait, the camera doesn't want to stand. Wait, see, I'm just gonna pause the video so it can stand properly, so just wait. So I'm back and I don't need the camera to stand anymore, so here is, just gonna show you. You can turn his, oh, this is gonna be hard. You can turn his um I'm just gonna stand the camera, I guess. Okay, wait again, sorry. Okay, I'm back, and sorry to keep you waiting so too much. So articulation of the legs first. So you can put it side, do the same side, and you can move front. You can bend the knees here, that, and you can bend his legs to back or to front, so you can pose him like that, but not to the side like boys with the most toys, Optimus Prime. You're gonna know why. If you asked how to build this, you can comment down below how to build this. If I'm just tell me if you want me to show you how to build this. I'm gonna show you. Okay. I'm just gonna remove the chest piece from the legs, if that's okay, so I can show the articulation. Sorry, because he is too tall for the camera, and I'm holding the camera with my one hand. So I put the grill piece out so it can stay flat on here. So you can turn his head to the side, and due to transformation, back. So there, and you can turn his arms side, like that, side. See, and you can bend it up or down if you wish, like that. I'm gonna put the grill piece back again, like there, because that is how it should be. So he has good range of articulation, I guess. There's a second option to his chest. I'm gonna show you now. I'm not gonna put it back on his body first. I'm gonna put the grill piece on front there again, stay flat. Second option to his chest is you can put the matrix of leadership inside, but I'm gonna show you why. Just put the head back, remove all chest piece here. As you can see, it has two red pieces there, but remove only one. This video is taking too long, so here remove only one. Do that to the same side. I'm gonna make it quick. Oh, I removed the wrong side. Anyway, do the same side. Now there's only one for each. Put it back there, put it up, so you can slide his chest pieces there to the side. Slide it again. I'm gonna remove the gun in the hand, getting mad. So you can slide it to the side, and you can put the matrix of leadership inside here. Wait. can put it inside. Wait. It's all wrong. I'm gonna repeat. Okay, there. See the chest. It can open. Just slide to the side. Then put the matrix inside. If the video is getting boring, just go away now. It's okay. This is the matrix option. So you can put the matrix inside there, and you can slide his chest pieces back there. No need of taking parts off like that. So that's the second option. Bad part is, you see that it's not red, and there's the gray studs, red again. So that's the bad part. I cannot fix that. In camera it looks okay, but in personal not that much. But as I said, good thing is you can slide this side and the other side, and there is the matrix of leadership. You can move it there and put it onto his hands. Just flew away like that. Sorry, I'm gonna put it back. No need of taking parts off. I repeat, no need of taking parts off. You can slide. It's not a puzzle former. Just gonna put his hand back here like that, and I'm gonna fix him all again. I'm gonna put him on a pose so you could see what he looks like. So here I'm gonna bend this pieces there, and move the camera. You can pose him like that. And thank you for watching my LEGO G1 Optimus Prime review.